Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Honor is about to launch its bunch of products including a duo of foldable phones, the Honor Magic V3 and Vs 3. The brand has already confirmed the design language of the Magic V3 and we even received some live images of the handset. However, now the renders of the Magic Vs 3 revealed through an online store and it appears that it will have a different design language than the Magic V3. So as we can see, instead of the circular camera island on the Magic V3, the Magic Vs 3 will have a vertically shaped rectangular camera island having two-tone color, which is giving it a nice touch, while the flashlight sits outside the camera island. We can spot 3 camera sensors, though camera details are still under wraps. However, the images confirm that one of the sensors will be the periscope telephoto sensor. The render also revealed the cover display where we can see a screen with a punch hole on top center. As a whole, just like the Magic V3, the Magic Vs 3 also has a rounded edges design. So what do you think about the Magic Vs 3 design language? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. Moving forward, luckily the Honor Magic Vs 3 just spotted on the Geekbench revealing its performance specs. So where the Magic V3 is likely to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the listing revealed the Magic Vs 3 will go with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is though an older but a good flagship grade chipset. So this means the Magic Vs 3 will be relatively affordable compared to the Magic V3. The device appeared on the Geekbench running on the 12 gigs of RAM and it scored a good 2051 single core and 5643 multi-core points. Anyway, the Magic V3 series is almost here as it is confirmed to launch on the 12th of July. And that's it for now. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.